Hello, hi, how are you? You're good? Okay. Okay, children. So, do you remember which day today? Say all of you, which day today? Do you remember? Okay, do you remember? Yesterday was Tuesday. Very good. So, children, what will become after Tuesday? Wednesday. So, today is Wednesday. Say all of you, today is Wednesday. Children, we will learn about the fruits. These are fruits. What is this? Vegetables. Very good. We are learning about the vegetables. So, first we will sing song related to the vegetables. Okay. Okay. Do you like to see magic? Magic पसंद है आपको? Yes. Okay. So I will show you magic. Okay. Before I will show you magic, we will sing song related to vegetables. Can you all stand up and sing with me? Yes. Please stand up. Okay. So, are you ready? Oh, yes. Are you ready? Okay, right side. Oh, yes. Left side. Oh, yes. Up. Oh, yes. Down. Oh, yes. Okay. Now stand up, all of you stand up. Please stand up. Don't sit. Stand up and ready for song. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. So I am pumpkin, big and round, big and round, big and round. I am pumpkin, big and round, seated on the ground. I am string beans, green and long, green and long, green and long. I am string beans, green and long, growing on a vine. I am onion, round and round, round and round, round and round. I am onion, round and round, we make soup tasty. I am carrot, orange and long, orange and long, orange and long. I am carrot, orange and long, help us to sing the song. Sing one more time, okay? Start, start. Yes. I am pumpkin, big and round, big and round, big and round. I am pumpkin, big and round, seated on the ground. I am string beans, green and long, green and long, green and long. I am string beans, green and long, growing on a vine. I am onion, round and round, round and round, round and round. I am onion, round and round, we make soup tasty. I am carrot, orange and long, orange and long, orange and long. I am carrot, orange and long, help us sing the song. Say again. I am pumpkin, big and round, big and round, big and round. I am pumpkin, big and round, seated on the ground. What is this? String bean. I am string beans, green and long, green and long, green and long. I am string beans, green and long, growing on a vine. I am onion, round and round, round and round, round and round. I am onion, round and round, we make soup tasty. I am carrot, orange and long, orange and long, orange and long. I am carrot, orange and long, help us sing the song. So children, I am pumpkin. What is this? Pumpkin. Children, now sit down. All of you sit down. Are you excited to see the magic? Yes. Okay. So first of all of you sit down. Sit quietly. Hold your arms. Okay, say with me. Good looking, good listening, No talking. Zip up. Zip up. Say again. Good looking. Good listening. No talking. Zip up. Hold your arm. And now I will show you magic. Okay? See? Okay, children. Now you all of you close your eyes. Close, please. Close. Yes, very good. Okay, I am also closing my eyes. Okay. Open your eyes and see what is this. Tell me what is this. Yes, you are right. This is a bottle guard. This is a bottle guard. Very good. Okay. Now children, what do you want? What do you want? You want carrot? Yes. Okay, close your eyes. Carrot, where is carrot? Carrot, carrot, carrot. Okay. Open your eyes. What is this? Carrot. Orange and long. What is this? Say all of you, this is a carrot. Okay, tell me, which color carrot? Red? No. Which color? Orange. Which color is this? Orange. Yes, very good. Okay, now again close your eyes. Okay, children, now I want cauliflower. Cauliflower, please come, come, come. Where is cauliflower? Oh, cauliflower. See, open your eyes, all of you. See, what is this? This is a cauliflower. What is this? This is a cauliflower. Yummy, yummy cauliflower. Very good. Okay, now again close your eyes. Oh, why are you open? Please don't cheat. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, children. Now, what do you want? Huh? Cabbage. You want cabbage? Say. Okay, cabbage. Okay, close your eyes. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Where is cabbage? See, children. What is this? Open your eyes and see. What is this? Cabbage. You want cabbage? Yes. Round and green cabbage. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Okay. Now again close your eyes. Okay. What do you want again? Say. Huh? Okay, brinjal. You want brinjal? Okay. Close your eyes. And brinjal is coming. Before brinjal coming, please close your eyes. Close your eyes, all of you. Okay. Brinjal, brinjal. Where is brinjal? Open your eyes. What is this? This is a brinjal. What is this? Brinjal. Okay. Now what do you want? Okay. Now I want potato. Okay. Oh, open your eyes. What is this? This is a potato. We use potato all the vegetables. Most of the vegetable we use potato, and we eat. I like to eat potato. You like to eat potato? Yes. Okay. Okay. What is and potato? Which color? Green color. This is a green color. No, this is a brown color. Which color? Brown color. Okay. Now children, what is this? What is this? I want capsicum. Yummy, yummy, green, green capsicum. Capsicum, capsicum. Please close your eyes. I will see you. Don't cheat. No. Then you are open your eyes. Vegetable not coming. Okay. Now again close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Yes. Oh, open your eyes. See, what is this? This is a capsicum. What is this? Capsicum. So children, capsicum which color? Green color. Capsicum which color? green color. So children, are you enjoying magic show? Yes. Okay. So now I will give you homework. Please collect 5-6 vegetables and learn their names and tell whole sentence like this. This is an onion. This is a carrot. This is a pumpkin, like this, and send me by taking audio or video. We will meet you again with my next activity, with my next video. Bye. See you. Bye.